How to make your iPhone charge faster and more efficiently with no app needed. So let's get started. First of all, use the original or MFI certified charger. Use the Apple 20W USB-C charger or any MFI certified fast charger and cable for the best results. Also, keep the iPhone cool. Charging generates heat which slows charging speed. Remove thick cases and keep your phone in a cool place. After that, all you have to do is open the Settings app on your mobile device. Inside Settings, scroll down and tap on the General, then tap on the Background app Refresh and make sure that it is turned off while charging. This reduces power drain during charging. Also, playing games, scrolling social media, or watching videos while charging slows the process. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.